Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Level. This is first part of video lecture for class 8, Geography, chapter 4th, that is Agriculture. Agriculture, this name is derived from Latin word ager and culture. Ager means soil and culture means cultivation. Very clearly, what would be the definition of agriculture? Science or art of cultivation on the soil for raising crops and rearing animals. This is also called farming. Students, transformation of goods from crops to finished goods that we consume requires three activities: primary activities, secondary activities, and tertiary activities. Primary means first. Primary activities include extraction and production of natural substance. Extraction and production of natural resources comes under primary activities. For example, rearing animals, producing crops, fruits, vegetables, all these comes under primary activities. Secondary activities, processing or manufacturing comes under secondary activities. For example, manufacture of steel, baking of breads, etc. comes under secondary activities. Then what would be the tertiary activities? These tertiary activities correlate both the activities, primary and secondary. For example, transportation, banking, insurance, all these comes under tertiary activities. All these three activities is necessary for transformation of crops into finished goods. Students, what are favorable conditions for agriculture? No doubt, suitable topography of soil, climate, duration of sunlight, rainfall. These are the factors which support agriculture at any place. Students, do you know 2/3 of Indian population is still dependent on agriculture. 50% of the world's population are related with what? Agriculture. Now you can consider how important agriculture is. Students, do you know types of agriculture? Sericulture, pisciculture, horticulture, viticulture. Let me explain you. Sericulture, rearing of silkworm at commercial scale or for commercial purpose is called sericulture. Pisciculture, breeding of fish. Breeding of fish in tanks, ponds, wells is called pisciculture. Viticulture, farming of grapes or production of grapes is called viticulture. Horticulture, farming of fruits, vegetables is called what? Horticulture. Students, next topic is farm system. What is farm system? How farming is done? How farming is practiced? What are the things required for farming? Students, this requires 3 steps: input, processing, output. What are inputs? Machineries, seeds, fertilizers, chemicals, all these are inputs. Then what is processing? Sowing seeds, spraying chemicals on plants, weeding, adding manure or fertilizers. All these comes under what? Processing. And final crops, wool or poultry. All these are what? Output. This requires manpower and machinery also. And the country which develop their agricultural system must develop economically, must develop financially. Means economy of country is no doubt depends on agriculture. So government of a country must take care of the agriculture and farmers. Government must take care of their farmers. Students, do you know arable land? What is arable land? The land on which cultivation is practiced. The land on which cultivation is practiced comes under arable land. That's all. Tomorrow we will study types of farming. Have a nice day.